Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best shin guards for kids soccer, specifically designed for 6-year-olds. If you're a parent looking for reliable, comfortable, and protective soccer gear for your child, this review is just for you. Introducing the Syhood Soccer Shin Guards and Socks Set, a complete package crafted for toddler and youth players aged 3 to 15 years old. What makes this set stand out is that it doesn't just provide shin guards. It also includes matching fitted socks. So your little soccer star is ready to hit the field with everything they need in one convenient bundle. These shin guards come in 3 different sizes to perfectly fit kids of various ages. For a 6-year-old, the recommended size is the medium, measuring about 17 by 8.5 centimeters. This size ensures a snug and secure fit, providing optimal protection without sacrificing comfort or mobility. The construction of the shin guards is impressive. The outer shell is made from durable polypropylene, or PP, which is well known for its impact resistance. This means the guards effectively absorb and reduce shocks from kicks and tackles, protecting your child's leg bones during intense play. Inside, there's a soft EVA sponge backing that cushions the legs, enhancing comfort and minimizing irritation even during extended practice sessions or games. Another thoughtful feature is the design tailored specifically for soccer players. The guards are shaped to fit the contours of young calves, with ventilated vents to promote airflow and prevent overheating. Adjustable hook and loop fasteners allow you to easily tighten or loosen the guards to accommodate your child's leg size, ensuring a secure fit that stays in place through all the running and quick movements soccer demands. The included socks are made from quality cotton, chosen for its softness, elasticity, and breathability. These socks are not just an accessory. They're designed to complement the shin guards perfectly by holding them in place while keeping your child's legs comfortable and sweat-free. Whether your child is just starting out or already playing competitively, this shin guard and sock set is an ideal companion for soccer games and training sessions. It offers the essential protection needed to play confidently and safely outdoors. Priced affordably, this set delivers excellent value by combining protective gear and socks in one. This thoughtful design simplifies getting ready for soccer, saving you from buying multiple separate pieces. In summary, the Syhood Soccer Shin Guards and Socks for kids provide a blend of protection, comfort, and convenience, making them an excellent choice for young players around 6 years old. If you want your child to enjoy the game while staying safe, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest and thorough product reviews. See you next time.